Hi everyone, I'm Miss Chantel, and in today's lesson we're going to be looking at the hardness of rocks. So we're going to be comparing them and seeing if, when we scratch them against each other, if they actually leave a mark, to see which one is the hardest. Today we'll be looking at chalk, sandstone, slate, granite, and marble. So while I'm doing this investigation, it's really important that you have your frequency table and you are marking each one that is able to scratch on your table. So it's really important that you're doing that correctly. You'll see a little picture in a moment of where I've taken an example to show you how to do it. So make sure you look carefully. Okay, first of all, I'm going to start off with chalk. I'm going to now scratch it against the other rocks to see if it leaves a mark, which is a scratch. Remember that with chalk, it leaves residue on my hand, so it's really important that we're looking to see whether it's a scratch, not just a little bit of chalk left over. So, just the camera, look here. I'm going to scratch it as hard as I can, and as you can see, chalk does leave a mark, but is it a scratch? Think carefully. Sandstone. Again. Marble. And granite. So as you can see, chalk is a very soft rock. It leaves behind residue on your hands and on other rocks, but it doesn't scratch into it. That's key to remember. So note it down on your papers. The next rock is slate. So as you can see, it's got the marks still left from the chalk. Now we're going to use slate to scratch against the other rocks. So I'm going to start with chalk. As you can see, there's a line there that's made. So it does do it. Got granite. No mark left. Sandstone. And marble. Use a different side. So, slate is a very strong rock and it's not able to leave a mark on granite. Not at all. Marble, couldn't really see anything. But on sandstone you could see a little bit. So make sure you fill in your table. Next up I have sandstone. Hopefully you can see it. I think you can see it all, the lighting. There's a scratch been left here, very clearly. Granite. As you can see, bits are falling away, but nothing's on there. Marble. Scraping it, and it is leaving a slight mark. Slate. Able to leave a mark. Make sure you mark it down. Next up we have granite. I'm going to use it now to test against the other rocks. Quite heavy, remember? That could be a clue. Yeah, look how strong it is. It can literally take chunks out of the chalk because it's so soft. Slate. Yes. Leaves a mark. Marble. Leaves a mark. Sandstone. Leaves a mark and it almost chips some of it off as well. Make sure you record. And the last one, marble. Got my chalk. Yes, it's able to scratch the chalk. Sandstone. able to scratch the sandstone. Slate. Yes, able to scratch the slate. Granite. No scratch left at all. So now you should have collected all of your results. You need to look carefully and have a look and see which rock was the hardest. Remember that the hardest means that it can leave marks on other rocks, but when you try and scratch a rock against it, no rocks will leave a mark on it. So look carefully at your results and then go on to your conclusion. Bye for now.